What is blockchain? You've heard the word 1,000 times. Blockchain this, blockchain that, but let's be honest. Do you actually know what it is? Don't worry. By the end of this short video, you'll finally understand what a blockchain is, how it works, and why it matters, without any tech jargon. What is a blockchain? Imagine a magical notebook. Everyone in the world can see it. Everyone agrees on what's written in it. But once something is written down, nobody can erase or secretly change it. That's basically a blockchain. A public digital ledger where every transaction is recorded forever. Like a diary, but for money, messages, and even digital art. How blockchain works. Each time someone makes a transaction, it's grouped into a block. Once verified, that block is added to the previous block. This forms a chain of blocks, a blockchain. Each block includes a list of transactions, a timestamp, a digital fingerprint called a hash. Once added to the chain, blocks can't be changed. That's what makes blockchain secure and trustworthy. Who controls it? No single person or company controls the blockchain. It's maintained by thousands of computers called nodes across the world. They all keep copies and work together to agree on what's true, using something called consensus. Popular blockchains include Bitcoin for money, Ethereum for apps and smart contracts, Solana, Cardano, Avalanche, each with their own strengths. Why blockchain matters? It removes the middlemen. No need for banks to send money. No need for lawyers to prove ownership. It's peer-to-peer, fast, and tamper-proof. Imagine sending money across the world in seconds with almost no fees, or buying digital art, music, or property with proof that can't be faked, or even voting securely online in full transparency. That's the power of blockchain. Is it safe? The blockchain itself is extremely secure, but how you interact with it, that's where things can go wrong. Scammers, phishing links, and fake tokens are everywhere. That's why this series doesn't just teach crypto, it teaches you how to stay safe. Now that you finally understand blockchain, hit like, tap subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because in episode 2, we're diving into how Bitcoin actually works. And trust me, you don't want to miss it. Stay smart. Stay safe. Welcome to Crypto Basics and Safety.